It's Billy Frades, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make $100 per day on one of the most viewed and visited websites in the world, which is Reddit. And if you never heard about Reddit, they call themselves the front page of the internet. It's probably one of my best websites that I use. I do waste a lot of time browsing Reddit, and I'm going to explain why that is. And I'm going to explain, more importantly, why that's important for you. Because if you understand how Reddit became, one of the top 5 most visited websites in the world, then you're going to understand how you can take advantage of that and how to start earning, $100 per day, or even, significantly more than that, if you actually are consistent using the strategy that I'm about to teach you. And before I get started, if you haven't already and you like money, then make sure that you smash the subscribe button, because I discuss how to put more money into your pocket, and doing all of it from working from home, literally from your laptop. So subscribe now if you haven't already. So as you can see here, I'm on Reddit right now. So how does this actually all work? So basically what Reddit is, it's a big community. It's a big collection of different people who are interested in different things. And Reddit has what's called subreddits, right? And to people who are big avid Redditors, this is going to be kind of a boring 10-15 seconds. But for the people who don't understand Reddit, it's very important you understand what it is. So you can see this is a Reddit homepage. There's Ask Reddit. There's all these threads here. It's a big collection of like sub communities, which they call subreddits, about specific topics. You can see what this is about. This is about pics. What you can do is you can actually see the most popular subreddits or communities on all of Reddit by using a site called Reddit List. You can see the most subscribed to actual Reddit subreddits are announcements, funny, Ask Reddit, gaming, pick, science. So what you can actually do is you can notate which of the communities are the most subscribed to, which of the communities have the most recent activity, and you can also see which of the communities, which of the subreddits have the most growth in the past 24 hours. And so what we're going to do, guys, we're going to actually open up a few of these subreddits. We're going to open up Ask Reddit. We're going to scroll down. We're going to open up Shower Thoughts, and we're also going to open TIFU, which stands for Today I Effed Up, and then we're also going to open up one more, which is memes right here, right? So now we have these 4 different subreddits to open, and what we're going to do is we can actually sort these in whatever way we want. We can sort them by hot, which basically means like the most popular, the most recent. We can sort by new, controversial, top, and rising. I like to look at hot because it's the most recent and it has the most action, right? And basically how Reddit works is that there's upvotes and there's downvotes. So the community of Reddit actually upvotes and downvotes things based on, if they like them. So you can see if something is popular to the masses before you actually engage with it, and that's really important for the strategy that we're going to teach you to make money with it. So now what you want to actually do with Ask Reddit, Shower Thoughts, TIFU, and memes is you want to go through the hottest posts of in the past 24 hours, which are already ranking. You can see this one was 11 hours ago, 6 hours ago, and you want to find the actual posts and comments that you think are the funniest, that you think are the most engaging, that you think are the most like clever, and just overall, the best posts that you can find. Like a Mexican drug lord offers you 50 million to let him like this is a great, this is a great question that really sparks a lot of thought. So I might save this one, go into the comments, and I might go into Shower Thoughts, for example, and it's a community where you have like an interesting idea that doesn't really make sense, while you're in the shower, but you have no one to share it with, right? So you come to Reddit to share it with them instead. So like, uh, for example, let's see, uh, 1915 must have smelled so bad. Everyone smoked indoors. Terrible car exhaust. Cool smog clouds. Hot dog jello salad. So it's just like a funny little thing that kind of relates to a lot of people in a meaningful way. And so you can see, let's see, this one has 49,000 upvotes, over 2,000 comments. So we might go into this one because it has, a lot of engagement. All these people thought that this was interesting or relatable enough to upvote it. So then we go into TIFU. Today I have what? Let's see. Let's read some of the TIFU by making a browser extension that makes reading. It might be funny. It might be something that just happened to an everyday person where they steam out of place. So maybe let's see which one to look at. Let's look at this one, and then the last one in slash me. We want to find a lot things that has a lot of actual engagement. This has 6,000. Here we go. 41,000. 155 comments. Interview. Why do you want to storm? Just funny stuff. So we'll go into this one as well. And so now we have 4 posts, right? 4 posts on Reddit. We see, and then there's comments inside of the post. These comments, let's see. Uh, yeah, let's see. F you, don't get my hopes up. These are all like funny memes. So it's like funny. And they're comments, so it's very important to keep these in mind because sometimes the funniest parts of posts are actually the first comment. And if you're a redditor, you know that people always say the best content is in the first comment, right? Because the comments get upvoted as well. So how do you actually transport and transform this into making a significant amount of money? Well, the idea that what this video is based on is actually a channel on YouTube called Comment Awards by Cowbelly. And if we see this right here, they have 1.4 million subscribers. They made their account, I believe, about a year and a half ago. So they've been doing this for about 20 months. So not a lot of time, but what these guys do is basically make really curated results. And so we can look and see if we go to like Social Blade that um, Comment Awards by Cowbelly makes $114,000 per month, right? Estimated monthly earnings right here, 114,000. Estimated yearly earnings almost $1.5 million, and we don't know whether or not that's actually low or high. It could be higher than like 1.5 million. So this YouTube channel literally makes more than most CEOs in the entire world, and they're doing this from anywhere in the world and like literally sitting in their pajamas on their laptop just making these videos. And so what is the videos that they actually make? What we can do is come into Comment Awards. We can go to videos right here, and we can go to sort by most popular. And what we see if we sort by most popular is we can see the literal videos that got the most views. 3.6 million, 3.6 million. These are all a year old. I like to look at the ones that have a lot of views that were recent. And so if we actually go and click into this one, this is literally a comment from this video could save your life from Ask Reddit. We just looked at Ask Reddit, which is right here. Ask Reddit. So all they've done is they've come in to Ask Reddit and they found something that they thought was funny that somebody else made, and they literally created that into a montage of what they thought the funniest comments were, right? And so let's watch maybe 10 seconds of one of these videos to see what happens. And so if we actually jump in and look at this video, you can see it's literally just a picture of the comment, and they read the comment actually out loud using a computer voice called Hugh from the UK. And if we actually play this for 2 seconds, you'll see why. You don't have to actually be able to speak English really well. You don't have to really do anything because you're not in the video yourself. They're using a computer voice to do this with some very basic royalty-free music. So check this out.
We treat dogs with antifreeze toxicity with a vodka drip, an emergency
And so because I don't like to leave anything out, I'm going to show you guys actually the exact voice that they use and where they found it. It's actually called UK English Hugh Mail, and you can use him to read the Reddit comments, so you don't have to speak. I'm gonna play this real quick. And this is literally the voice that they use to actually overlay with all of these Reddit comments. So all they're literally doing is choosing their favorite Reddit comments from some of the funniest, most applicable to YouTube's audience, and actual subreddits like Ask Reddit, like TIFU, like memes, and like shower thoughts, which just have a large relatability factor to the widest array of people. And all they're doing is copy and pasting their favorite one to making it into a montage of their favorite highlights, and then literally just reading the comments and best top comments inside of the post using the UK English Humil. This is one of the best ideas that I've seen in a very long time, and these guys are literally making close to $1.5 million, $2 million a year, literally from their laptop at home without having to actually get on the camera at all, or speak at all themselves. They're literally doing it 100% from their laptop from anywhere in the world. You don't have to be any specific place. You don't even have to speak English well. You can use exactly what I've shown you to create such a large business actually doing this. And if you guys like this video, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, because I'm making these videos for you guys for completely for free. And even if this helps just one person, it'll be worth it for me, doing the research, trying this out, making sure that it works. So I'll see you on the next video.